How to withdraw money from Forex Royale app to bank account. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Forex Royale app to your bank account and whether or not it is possible for you to do it. So in order to get it, you just have to first launch your Forex Royale app on your device, and then you need to provide your login credentials like your username and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account first. Afterwards, you need to find and then you need to tap on the menu or the account icon that usually located at the bottom or the top of the application. Then you need to select the withdrawal option or the funds option from the list. After that, you need to choose your bank account as your preferred withdrawal method. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, then you will need to add your bank details first. This typically involves entering your bank account number, the bank's name, and other required information. And then you need to enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your Forex Royale account. You need to make sure that you have a sufficient balance on your account to cover the withdrawal amount and any application fees. Then you need to review the withdrawal details, including the amount and the bank account information. Afterwards, you need to confirm the withdrawal request. You may be asked to enter the verification code sent to your email or your phone number for security purposes. Then you need to just wait for it to process. So withdrawals might take some time in order to process. The processing time can vary depending on the app and your bank. It can range from a few hours to several business days. Then you need to check your bank account. So once the withdrawal is processed, you need to just check your bank account to ensure the funds have been deposited. So if you encounter any issues or if you need any instructions, you can refer to the application's help section or you can contact their customer support for assistance. So with the help of these methods, you will be able to withdraw your money from Forex Royale application to your bank account. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.